3 months ago, I was known as the girl who posts hair videos, and now I'm reintroducing myself as the girl who documents her life, sharing the realistic journey of going after your dreams, self-discovery, self-love, evolving, mastering work-life balance, and so much more, all while still looking cute doing it. Today was the first day I finally felt mentally ready to do a lot of things that I just haven't been able to do in these past couple of months. And then I soon realized that my body had other plans. Ladies, don't you just love a surprise visit from your period? I'm normally very in tune with my body. I even have a period calendar, and this one just caught me by surprise. Now, I have had a lot going on in the past couple of months, and I know that your period can change due to a lot of that. I tried to tell myself that I wouldn't let my period stop me from filming and being productive today. The point of this video is to kind of just tell you guys that my videos are going to be a little bit of everything, because I realized that I want to not put so much pressure on myself to be this version of my older self, which, I'm sure a lot of us battle. And I felt like the best way for me to come on here is just to do daily vlogs documenting my life. And I'm going to be challenging myself to do as many as I can do for this month. So today, my plan was to reset my hair. And as you can see, I ended up getting distracted. And I was watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos. And my mind just wasn't there. And honestly, I was just fatigued. Like, I didn't feel like doing it. And then I looked up and it was time for me to eat. Then it was time for me. It was nighttime. And I was like, really? So today did not work out as planned, long story short. But I did still want to at least start something. So I did start my hair. As you saw previously, I soaked my aloe vera because I do want to do a scalp treatment, because with this crazy past few months that I've experienced, I have neglected a lot of myself, my hair, my body, everything. And, I didn't want to come on camera when I got all that together. I really thought it would be better showing me getting to that point, sharing the journey of me getting back to myself and, taking care of myself and who I want to be. A lot of this is also like I kind of planned what I wanted to do, but I kind of didn't, because once again, I didn't want to put so much pressure on myself. So I just want to say, like, bear with me. I'm taking it a day at a time, and I just don't want to put so much pressure on perfection, and I kind of just want to do and think less and do more. I mean, think smart, but like not overthink everything, and just, show up. The hardest part in doing anything is showing up. So I want to just focus on that, and everything else will come. Enough about me. I hope you guys have been doing good and life has been doing okay for you guys. And if not, hope you've been able to make it through, because, life is not all beautiful all the time, unfortunately. But I really have missed you guys, despite me not probably showing it. I've been like looking at my videos in the past and kind of like reading you guys' comments and like missing that like connection, and that I do really miss that part. That was a lot. I am excited and I'm also nervous because, as you can see, I'm like very excited for doing my first cut. The first cut is always like, yes, I got it out the way, because I always get anxious. I don't know why, for cutting my hair, especially the first cut. But yeah, I'm excited and nervous for everything, because I also, like I said, I'm not fully, like, I don't know what's going to come out of all of this. But what I do know is I'm so freaking happy I was able to trim my hair. Like, this hair trim felt like what I assume it feels like after you break up with someone, and, a lot of people like to cut their hair or do something to their hair. And it's like relieving all that dead weight and that dead energy. I feel like that. Like I felt so much lighter cutting my hair, and it was like just like seeing the hair, the old hair trip away. Look at my face, I'm so tired. It just felt freeing, you know, because yeah, so this was kind of therapeutic. But anyways, as you can see, I'm so tired. I'm on my period once again, so I'm like over this night. So I wanted to at least do half of my hair, so we got that part completed. Also, these videos are going to be daily, so I'm going to see you guys the next day. Tomorrow, you will see me do the rest of my hair, trim the rest of my hair, put the aloe vera, wash it, and everything like that. See you tomorrow.